Jump higher. Jump. Okay, that's not gonna work. Wait, David, I have an idea. Why don't you put the hat on your head, climb the ladder, and hand it to me? Jeez, he's gonna do it. Okay, wait, stop. Hang on, David. Let me explain something. My son and I, we practiced this for years, and you know what? It really works. The way it works is I balance you. All you gotta do is hold on. You up for climbing, David? No. Hang on a second. Okay, me with David. Is it okay if he climbs?
If he wants to.
Okay. No, not yet. Here's the important thing. Do not lean back. Stay close to the ladder. Always hang on the sides, okay? Oh, hey, you got a camera?
Oh, yeah.
You'll need that for insurance. If you want to
David, stop.
Yeah, we got it. Make sure the carpet and the top of my head are in the shot, otherwise it doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Come on up, David. I got you. Keep coming.
Oh my God, please don't.
Keep coming. 2 more runs. Keep coming. 1 more run.
Oh my God.
Stop. Give me that. Now get down.
Yay!
That was awesome! Face the folks and take the bow. This time they're going to clap just for you. Face them and bow, okay?
Ready?
Good job.
Thanks for playing with me. I got something for you. Hang on. Right? Yeah? Thanks. Meet me after the show. I'll autograph it for you.
Yeah.
Next, I got something I want to show you.
Is that fun?
4 stools. But to do it, I will need the help of 4 members of the audience.